Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok link from your Facebook profile. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device, and from here you want to click onto your profile, and then if you scroll down where it says details, I've got my TikTok link here. Now to edit this, simply click on edit. Give it a few moments to load. And you can simply remove it from here by clicking the little cross button, which I don't want to do because I want to keep my TikTok link active on Facebook. And then once you remove that TikTok link or any other social media link, click on to save. And then if you head back, your TikTok link will be removed from your details. Another way to do this is to click on the three dots next to see dashboard, click on edit, scroll down, and as you can see there's my TikTok link here. Click on edit next to links and then click on remove. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to remove your TikTok link from your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.